Hi, I'm Emily Fellah. I'm a children's author and illustrator, and I've been running popular comics and illustration workshops for over 7 years. I work with schools and SEND settings throughout London and the home counties, and I'm also experienced at online workshop delivery. I adapt sessions for key stages 1 to 4. My workshops are all about engaging pupils with writing, character creation and drawing in a format they really enjoy. Sessions can be designed to tie in with curriculum topics of your choice, and I also provide workshops for World Book Day and Literacy and Arts Weeks. Children always love the idea of creating their own characters and comics or picture books. In a typical session, I show the group my portfolio and how I create characters, emphasising the fact that I don't get it right first time. I introduce the class to some inspiring illustrated fiction and comics, then take them through the fundamentals of character creation. They create their own original characters with my support. Then after more tips and inspiration, they create their own comics or picture book plans. Another fun workshop element is where I teach the class to draw a character based on simple shapes, step by step, and encourage them to make it their own by changing the expression and the details. This idea has developed into a series of books published internationally by Corto, and I'm also available for book signings at your school. As an Artsmark partner, I have high expectations for all pupils, and the sessions are very supportive and inspiring. Pupils have the responsibility and freedom to make decisions about the progression of their projects, and the sessions are highly engaging and creative. In this environment, children produce high-quality work and are inspired to discover they're capable of a lot more than they thought. I provide planning and evaluation sheets for pupils and guides for teachers so they can continue to support the pupils with comic and picture book creation after the sessions. This also supports teachers' CPD. I'm also an Arts Award advisor and can develop projects which help pupils achieve their Arts Award while supporting schools in their Artsmark journey. Please take a look at my website, emilyfellah.co.uk, for more information about my workshops, my Artsmark offer, free resources and drawing videos, testimonials, and my books. And please drop me a line with your queries and let me know if you'd like to be added to my termly email update. Thanks for listening, and I'm looking forward to working with you.